Welcome back to day 2 of the Simple Habit meditation series. I hope you experienced some benefit from yesterday's practice. First of all, choosing your posture, a position where you can be as relaxed as possible and yet alert. And gradually allowing yourself to settle, giving the weight of the body up to gravity, feeling into the points of contact between the body and the floor. Allow your body to rest down into this position and allow your awareness to rest down into the body. And beginning to tune into all the different movements and sensations of breathing in the whole body. The rise and fall of the chest, the swelling and subsiding of the belly, the swelling and subsiding in the whole back of the body and the sides of the body. Resting your awareness inside your body, inside your breath. And now, shifting the focus of your attention from the breath and the body and beginning to tune into your thoughts and emotions. Are they calm and steady, or jumpy and chaotic? Maybe you don't really know what you're thinking and feeling. That's quite normal. Being very careful not to judge yourself harshly. Traditionally, the distracted and untrained mind is likened to a monkey leaping about a tree, jumping from one branch to the next. Many of us have jumpy, scattered minds like this, perhaps especially in the modern world, where there are so many distractions and pressures. Through meditation, we can gradually cultivate a mind that is more like an elephant, very calm, stable, and steady. A mind that can attend to one thing at a time with a quality of wholeness and presence. We do this by training the mind, by giving it an object to keep coming back to as a point of focus. For example, the breath. So resting your awareness inside the breath, inside the body. Every time you notice you've wandered or gotten caught up with thinking, simply noticing this without judgment and inviting your awareness back inside the breath, inside the body, again and again. As we begin to draw the meditation to a close, please don't lose heart if your mind felt all over the place. It's important not to think you've failed at meditation. Meditation is about becoming more aware of how you're feeling and the state of your mind in each moment. Meditation is a training, rather like taking your mind to the gym. Every single time you noticed your mind had wandered and you invited it back to the breath is a moment of success. Even if it only happened 1 or 2 times, then you succeeded in this meditation session. I invite you to take this training into the rest of your day. Each time you notice your mind is distracted or hectic, simply shift your focus to rest in the experience of breathing in your body again and again. See how many times you can remember to do this during your day. I look forward to meditating with you tomorrow, where we'll explore how to bring more presence and focus to your mind.